Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the total sum of values in Google Sheets step by step. If you have a list of numbers and want Google Sheets to automatically add them together, the sum function is the quickest and easiest way to do it. So let's get started. First, open your Google Sheets spreadsheet. As you can see, we have a list of values in column A. Now click on the cell where you want the total to appear. In this example, we'll use cell B2 under the total heading. Next, type an equals sign followed by the sum function. Type equals sum open parentheses. Now select the range of cells containing your values. In this example, select cells A2 through A11. The formula should now look something like this: equals sum open parentheses A2 colon A11 close parentheses. Once you've selected the range, type the closing parentheses. Then press enter on your keyboard. Google Sheets will instantly calculate the total of all the selected values and display the result in the cell. One of the best things about the sum function is that it updates automatically. If you change any number in the selected range, the total will recalculate immediately. This makes it perfect for budgets, expense trackers, sales reports, and many other types of spreadsheets. You can also use the sum function with larger datasets by simply selecting a different range of cells. And that's it. You've successfully calculated the total sum of values in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.